Hey guys, here's the progress of printing the Tesla Cybertruck, and I don't have any silver filament, so the areas that are silver I might just go ahead and just spray them with a primer, silver primer. But currently right now it's about 38%, so I'll come back in a few when it's about 60% and see where it's at. But this is looking pretty good. Alright, so here is the update. We're at 49% right now. The tires look like they're completely finished. The rims are finished. The connections that are gonna allow us to clip the car together, those have been fully finished. Some of these tires here are not yet finished, but as you see here, the windows, these are the windows, those are finished as well. Can't wait to go ahead and put this together. I want to see how it finally looks. Alright, so here it is. The Tesla Cybertruck. Fully finished printing on the Ender 5 Plus using the GST 3D filament. All the tires and rims are done. The windows are done. So now I'm just gonna try to put this together and paint the body silver. See how that goes. Alright guys, so we pretty much painted the body. It looks really good, pretty good I would say. Now we're just going to put a little bit of glue on here, just to kind of get the glass on here. Okay, you're going to let that dry. It should dry pretty quick. Now we have the body here, we're going to go ahead and put those tires in, so they should just snap in. Alright guys, well, while putting the wheels in, they kind of snapped. So what I did is I just glued them on. You know, they're not going to spin or anything like that. But as you see here is the wheels. And here's the body ready to go. So now we're just going to place it on top. And there you go. a nice finished Tesla truck, Cybertruck. "3D print it, paint it with acrylic." Now I could have done a little bit of sanding and buffing and all that, but I kind of wanted just to have that rugged feel right now. The next few videos I'm going to go ahead try to you know, smooth out some of the lines when it gets printed. But it looks pretty amazing actually, being able to go ahead and print this with the Ender 5 Plus. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the Vera Projects. Thanks for watching.